Welcome to today's episode, brought to you by Siam ElliotFishing Thailand, your gateway to the wild waters of Thailand, home of the legendary giant snakehead. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into everything you must know before setting out on your dream giant snakehead fishing adventure. From the gear you'll need, to the best seasons, and a few personal stories from the water, this is your ultimate guide. The giant snakehead is Thailand's apex freshwater predator, powerful, aggressive, and territorial. These fish are often compared to a freshwater barracuda. Their strike is explosive, their fight unforgettable. Unlike stocked ponds or pay lakes, snakehead fishing in Thailand is wild fishing. You're chasing fish that survive on instinct, weather, and the seasons. I still remember my first time guiding an angler on Chao Lan Lake. We had been casting for hours in the rising sun, nothing on the line. Suddenly, in the shadow of limestone cliffs, a fry ball erupted, the water boiling as small fish tried to escape. We made a perfect cast, and within seconds, a 6-kilo giant snakehead smashed the lure. The fight was pure chaos, but the smile on that angler's face made every drop of sweat worth it. Snakehead fishing is not about luck, it's about preparation, patience, and understanding the behavior of the fish.
One, two, three, four.
Essentials: sun protection, hat, sunglasses, sunscreen. Thailand's sun is unforgiving. Hydration: at least 2 liters of water plus energy drinks. Quick meals, snacks. You'll be casting all day, often in remote spots. Rain jacket, especially during monsoon. Studio microphone pro tip from Siam ElliotFishing Thailand. We always advise our guests to travel light but smart. On our tours, we handle the logistics, transport, permits, professional guiding. But what you bring for personal comfort makes the difference between a good day and a great one. Rods and reels. Medium-heavy bait casting or spinning setups, 15 to 30 pounds. Snakehead demand power but also accuracy for casting near cover. Lines and leaders. Braided line 30 to 50 pounds for strength plus fluorocarbon leader. Lures. Topwater frogs, hollow body, weedless. Toppers and buzzbaits for explosive strikes. Soft plastics and swim baits for deeper cover. One time, I switched from a frog to a buzzbait just as the rain began. Within 10 casts, the water exploded. The sound of that fish hitting top water in the rain is something I'll never forget. That's why lure choice isn't just about technique, it's about matching the moment. If you're traveling light, Siam ElliotFishing Thailand provides full gear rental, pro-grade rods, reels, and lures, ready to go. Peak season. Rainy season, May to October, fry ball season. Snakehead are aggressive while protecting their young. Perfect for top water action. Cool, dry season, November to February. Comfortable weather, excellent for lake fishing. Hot season, March to April. Fish are harder to find but bigger specimens lurk deep. If you ask me, September is magic. The rains create new feeding grounds, and fry ball stocking is at its peak. On one trip, we landed 5 snakehead over 4 kilos in a single day. Timing in Thailand can transform your trip from ordinary to legendary. So there you have it, the essentials of giant snakehead fishing in Thailand. Know the fish, prepare well, bring the right gear, and choose the season wisely. If you want to experience this for yourself, not just as a fisherman but as an adventurer, Siam ElliotFishing Thailand is here to guide you. Visit us at siamelliottfishing.com, where we create heaven on earth for anglers worldwide.